show you how to make a healthy dessert you're actually gonna wanna eat. I call it date mousse. 15. These have the pits inside, so you're gonna have to take them out. I wanna put in enough water to just cover these. Bring it to a boil, turn off the heat, and then let it sit in the hot water for 15 minutes. Then take out a blender. You're gonna strain your softened dates. Put your soft dates into the blender. Half a cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon salt. A pat of butter, or 2. You wanna help? It smells very fall. 15 dates is enough to fill 1 mason jar. This is the 3rd one I've made this week. This is what we get here. It kind of looks like a pudding. And the stuff is so good. So, bonus tip, my husband and I tried this. A little bit of this, and add a spoonful of natural peanut butter. Stir it up together, just like this. And I don't know why, but it tastes like a peanut butter chocolatey treat.
Mom, can I?
It's crazy. You'll have to try this and tell me what you think.